Hi guys. So I am going to, right now, if I can get to the right app, I'm gonna order myself some Starbucks to pick up. I have to go pick up a Target order. I'm in the garage, that's why it's so dark. I have to go pick up a Target order, and then I have some stuff I'm gonna drop off at Goodwill. Showed you guys, but I'm redecorating my apartment. So I've recently got a new couch. I got new table, but I'm taking the other one to the Goodwill along with 2 bags of clothes and some old sheets. So we're gonna do that. I may stop at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, depending on which Goodwill I go to. I need to figure out which Goodwill I'm gonna go to. But I may stop at Marshall's and see if they have some perfume. I kind of want to pick up the Dolce & Gabbana light blue, and they usually have that. I went to a Marshall's yesterday and they didn't have any perfume, but also I have to remember the location that I was at, so that's probably why. So yeah, depending on what store I go to, I'll probably stop for that. But I'm about to order me some Starbucks because I have not eaten anything today, and it's 2:25. I'm gonna get a matcha, and I want a sandwich. I parked in this spot that I normally don't park at because of the pillars right behind me, but I want it to be right in front of the door to make it easier on myself carrying that table down here. I need to get a freaking wagon. I saw Marie J posted about one that she uses to like bring up groceries and stuff to her apartment, but it's like $100, but it's big and it looks like it's strong, and it's like, do I really want to pay that? But I know that I need it. But like, do I really want to pay $100 for a wagon? Because the other buggy that I had, it did not last long. So ever since that, and that was when I first moved to Cleveland, that was over 5 years ago now. I think I had it for like 6 months, and then it just like broke, and I was like, yeah, I'm never doing that again. So I feel like if I am gonna buy one, I should buy one that's like heavy duty, but $100 for a wagon just seems like OD. This is why I hate getting food from Starbucks, because like, girl, y'all couldn't put my sandwich together. However, the matcha though, matcha looks perfect. Okay, now to Target. Okay, so I don't know why it went dark like that. I picked up my stuff from Target. I have it in the back of the car. I dropped all that stuff off to Goodwill. I ended up going to one location, and I didn't really feel the vibe. I couldn't
Use
really
the right lane to take a slight right turn to merge onto I-271 North.
I couldn't really find, like, it just said the donation center is here, but it was like this gated area. I didn't see anybody standing outside. I didn't see like a buzzer.
Take a slight right turn.
I didn't see like a buzzer or anything, so I was like, yeah, we're not doing that. So
in a quarter mile, keep left to merge onto I-271 North toward Cleveland.
Girl, Siri just be. So I was like, yeah, I'm not really feeling this vibe. I'm just gonna go to the Goodwill that I normally go to that's on the complete opposite side of town, but whatever. So I ended up doing that, dropped everything off. The guy was really nice. It was very easy. Like, I just like that Goodwill better.
Keep left to merge onto I-271 North toward Cleveland.
So I dropped that off, and then there happens to be a Marshall right by it, so I went to Marshall's and I picked up the perfume. They had the Dolce & Gabbana light blue. They only had one left, so I feel like it was waiting for me. I picked that up, and then I was gonna go, what the freak is going on? Like, hello? I was gonna stop at Ross, because there's a Ross right by the Marshalls, but I have to go to the bathroom really bad, so I'm just going home. I was like, that's just a sign. I need not to go anywhere else. I need not to spend any more money, so I'm just gonna go home. I gotta lug this stuff
In
upstairs.
4.1 miles,
I still
keep
have
right
to
onto I-90 west toward Cleveland.
I still have to take the broken, I don't know why the lighting is like this. I still have to take the broken table downstairs to the trash room, along with the ottoman that I just have sitting in my closet. And I also need to finish my laundry. I have some clothes in the washer, so yeah, I need to get home. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do today. Just finish my laundry, get rid of that stuff that I need to get rid of. I have my bed listed on Facebook Marketplace right now because I'm selling my bed. I have a new bed that should be here hopefully within the next week and a half. So I listed my bed on Facebook Marketplace, and I have someone who says that they're very interested, but I'm a little weary. One, because they're gonna have to come to my apartment and pick it up. Now granted, you do have to be buzzed into my apartment, and I can just like take everything downstairs so that they can just pick it up at the door and not have to come like up to my apartment. But I don't like when people on Facebook Marketplace, when you're selling something and they ask for your phone number. It's weird because you literally can call the person through Facebook. So you don't really need my phone number. You can send me a Facebook message and you could literally call people through Facebook. And then also they added a different person. So like the first name was like Alyssa that was messaging me, and then they added Alyssa with the E. So it was Alyssa with the A, and then they added somebody else with Alyssa with the E, but it's the same profile picture. One of the accounts was made in 2023 and the other account is like completely locked. So I'm like, that just feels like it's giving scam.
In 2 miles, keep right onto I-90 west toward Cleveland.
So I don't know. They're like, I'm really interested. I'll pay you in cash and come pick it up today. But it's like, I don't know. I don't feel comfortable about it. And like, if your gut says you don't feel comfortable about something, you shouldn't do it. So okay, so I think I told you guys, but I'm getting a new bed. But I'm not getting a new mattress. So I wanted to get a mattress topper. I'm like out of breath. I don't know why. But this is the one that I got. I got it from Target. This is the brand Casa Luna. The down alternative mattress pad. And I'll show you guys. This is about how thick it is. So this is the mattress pad, this top here. And it's actually really soft. I just got a duvet. I'm now a duvet girl. And I got a down alternative as well. And I love it. So I was like, I'm gonna grab this too. It feels comfy though. Like, oh yeah, this feels so much better. I think I may also get like a, what's it called? Like a memory foam topper and put that on top and then put this over it. And I think that, because what's gonna happen, I guess, maybe if I turn and show you guys my face. My hair is looking crazy. But what's gonna happen is the bed that I'm getting is kind of like a low platform bed. It's not a platform bed, but the frame is only 4 inches. So I'm gonna have to get a smaller box spring so that my bed is not like sitting on top of the freaking world. So since I'm getting a smaller, thinner box spring, I want to add like some height to my mattress so that it's still comfy until I purchase a new mattress. So I think I'm gonna get a memory foam bed topper, put that underneath and put this over, and then that'll be perfect. That should hold me over until I get a new mattress. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish making up the bed, and then I'll show you how it looks, because it's pretty much, it's gonna be how my bed is made when I get my new bed frame. So I'll show you guys that. Okay, so this is the bed done. Pillows are a little lopsided. I know the colors don't really match the headboard, but again, I'm getting rid of the headboard. It's gonna be more of a neutral tone. But this is what the bed looks like. So as I was saying, like, these are my sleeping pillows. You won't be able to see it, so when I put the silk pillow on, it won't matter because you can't see it. And then I just have the white pillows that match the duvet. These pillows are from Target. They're like a soft, like kind of fuzzy, but not really. Kind of feels more like a like sweater material. And then these are from Amazon, the inserts and the pillow cover. And these I got from Home Goods, but I have a similar one from Amazon linked on my Like to Know It. And then this is the duvet and the insert, both of them from Amazon. And then this is the blanket that I made, and this is it. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up my bedroom because it's a hot mess right now. But I also got a new 3-door drawer set here that I'm gonna be switching over to. I don't know if you guys can see that one back there. I painted it silver, and then when I moved, I taped it, and it's bad. It needs to go. So we're gonna replace it with this white one. I don't know, like, how do people set up their vanities nowadays? Like, it's been so long since I've actually sat here to do my makeup, but now that I don't have to take my chair back and forth to the living room, I want to utilize this space again, and just do my makeup. I have the window right here. I have a mirror that I keep here, so it's like I want to utilize this space again. But I don't know. So let me guess what you think. Like, let me know what you think. Should I just buy another one of these acrylic containers, or should I do something completely different? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I'm still in the process of setting it up, but let me pause this. I'm actually watching my Gloria's new vlog, but I had these in my bathroom because I was doing my makeup in my bathroom probably like for the last few months because I was tired of having to take the stuff to the living room and do my makeup in the living room. I have my desk there, but again, now that I don't have to move the chair back and forth from my bedroom to my living room, my chair's just in here. I'm gonna go back to doing my makeup in my bedroom. So I pulled these out of the bathroom and I put them here. Tell me what you guys think. I have my brushes sitting at the top. I low-key want to get something different for my brushes too. Like I said, I've had this set up for like a really long time with these beads and the jars. So I think I want to do something different, maybe like some black cups or something. But does this look okay? Like, let me know. My whole point is that I'm trying to minimalize everything in my room and just in my home in general. And I feel like this maybe looks a little clustered. Granted, I do have these drawers here, but this is like for extra stuff or like my big palettes. Like I used to have my palettes sitting on here, and I now put all of my palettes in here. I'm actually gonna move this. This holds a lot of my jewelry. I'm gonna go through my jewelry, but I'm also gonna set this on top of here. Like, I just want to clear as much of this space as possible. And just, I was thinking about, I have these shelves that I had from IKEA, and I was thinking about putting them on here to put like my fragrances, because I want to start collecting fragrances right now. All of these are empty, but I want to start collecting fragrances, so I was kind of holding on to these to put these on the shelves until I like start replacing them. But again, is that just like clutter? I really want to get rid of stuff. I don't want to be adding more stuff. But I was thinking about putting those shelves on the wall here and put my fragrances and stuff up there. But let me know what you guys think. I did put one shelf up. I just went with one because two just would have been overwhelming the space. So just one is good to go. I think it's cute. Maybe once I figure out what I'm gonna do down here, I can put the second shelf up. But right now, since everything's so high off the table, I think two would just be too much. But if I decide to move those off the table, then I'll probably put the second shelf there. But so far so good. Again, I literally only have one perfume right now because all of these are empty, but we're gonna be replacing them, and we're gonna fill this whole thing up with fragrances. So just want to show you guys that.